In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a slideshow repeater in Wix Studio. This can be a fantastic way to enhance the visual appeal of your website and create an engaging experience for your visitors. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, you'll want to open up your Wix Studio site editor. This is your creative playground, where you can make all the magic happen. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and locate the Add Elements button, which is represented by a plus icon. Give it a click, and you'll see a variety of options unfold right before your eyes. Now, we're on the hunt for layout tools, so scroll through the list until you spot them. Within this category, you'll find the slideshow repeater option. By clicking on it, you'll unlock a host of design possibilities that Wix has carefully crafted for you. Once you've selected slideshow repeater, your next decision is about choosing the perfect design. You can either pick from a set of pre-designed templates or start with a blank slate. Whichever option resonates with your vision, go ahead and drag it onto your page. With the slideshow repeater in position, it's time to manage your slides. To do this, simply click on the slideshow repeater within the editor. This brings up a floating toolbar, or you can use the inspector panel on the right. Find the Manage button and click on it to open up the Manage panel. From here, you have the power to add new slides, duplicate existing ones, rename, or even delete slides as needed. This gives you the flexibility to tailor your slideshow to fit your content seamlessly. Now it's time to bring each slide to life. You can navigate between them using the blue arrows on the element itself. And here's where the fun really begins. You can drag and drop elements from the Add Elements panel onto the active slide. Whether it's images, text boxes, or buttons, you have full control over what each slide displays. Thanks to the repeater functionality, the overall design remains consistent across all slides, while the specific content can vary. To really make the slideshow your own, let's move on to customizing the settings. Select your slideshow repeater and find the Settings icon. This opens a panel where you can enable autoplay, adjust the time between slides, and choose from various transition effects like crossfade or horizontal slide. You can also decide whether you want navigation arrows and buttons to be visible for user convenience. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only added a slideshow repeater to your page, but customized it to perfectly suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you feel empowered to give your site that added touch of dynamic flair.